Hey everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Kavinsky Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto blockchain technology. Today, I have a super quick update for the Cardano community. Big advancements are coming to the blockchain. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's a tweet. Input Output Global, the research and development arm of the Cardano blockchain, tweeted, "Cardano's next chapter will be shaped by all of us." In an ongoing series of threads, IO shares its proposed roadmap with the community, focused on scalability, usability, and interoperability. These aren't standalone ideas, but together they drive us toward a vision for where we take Cardano next. Today we're featuring new anti-grinding measure, strengthening Cardano's consensus, hindering grinding attacks, and improving settlement times. So you might be wondering, what is anti-grinding? I remember when I was in school, there were school dances and teachers didn't want you dancing too close to one another. So they had a squirt bottle and they'd squirt people if they were grinding. It's not that kind of grinding though. So let's go over the technical term anti-grinding on Cardano. First, let's go over grinding attacks. Grinding attacks, where network leaders manipulate block additions for re-election advantages, pose a threat, and existing Ouroboros anti-grinding measures can impact settlement times. So now, Input-Output has an anti-grinding feature. The anti-grinding feature, proposed as part of the node improvements, focuses on improving Ouroboros by making grinding attacks harder for adversaries, with minimal overhead for honest participants. This work aims to significantly reduce the time needed to finalize blocks or will require more resources to perform a grinding attack, enhancing both settlement times and finality while maintaining robust defense and encouraging interoperability for other chains. Anti-grinding strengthens Cardano's consensus and benefits in terms of security and growth. It's also part of node implementation improvements. Find out more about how the Cardano network is moving towards a more diverse and modular node ecosystem at iohk.io/en/blog. Also, learn more about Cardano's 2025 vision and roadmap at anewdawn.vision. This new improvement with the anti-grinding feature makes Cardano a lot more secure, and it also uses resources in a much more efficient way. So, in my opinion, this is really good for the environment, this is really good for energy management, and in my opinion, more and more blockchains should learn from Cardano and see how to efficiently run. If you enjoyed this content and have any women in your life who want to learn about crypto, I have a special course for them. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. Right now, my data shows that 97% of my viewers are men, and that's gotta change. I want crypto to be for everybody. So this course is specifically for women. Eventually it might expand, but I want more and more people to get onboarded onto Cardano and learn the benefits of it. So if you have anybody in your life who is a woman and wants to learn about crypto, send them my way. Right now the course is only $27. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends who love this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!